Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking our taste buds on an incredible adventure to the vibrant streets of South Africa. This country is a true melting pot of cultures, and nowhere is that more delicious than in its street food. We've got a lot to cover, so grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive into the ultimate South African street food tours. First up, we have to talk about the heart and soul of South African casual dining, the braai. It's more than just a barbecue. It's a cultural institution. The first thing you'll smell is the iconic Boerewors Roll. This isn't just any hot dog. We're talking about a thick, coiled sausage made from beautifully seasoned beef or mutton, grilled to perfection over open coals. It's served in a soft bun, often topped with a sweet tomato and onion relish called Gqeberha, or just some fried onions. The smoky flavor from the grill combined with the juicy sausage is just pure comfort. Next to the Boerewors, you'll almost always find grilled chicken pieces and steak cuts. The chicken is usually marinated in a secret blend of herbs and spices, giving it a crispy skin and tender, juicy meat inside. The steak is kept simple, good quality beef, a bit of seasoning, and the magic of the fire. It's simple, it's flavorful, and it's quintessentially South African. Now, you can't have a braai without the sides. The undisputed king of starches here is pap. It's a porridge made from maize meal, and it comes in different consistencies. You might get a soft, smooth slap pap or a more firm, crumbly crumble pap. It's the perfect vessel for soaking up all the delicious sauces and flavors. And speaking of sauces, you absolutely have to try chocolate. This is a spicy vegetable relish made with things like onions, carrots, peppers, and beans. It's got a kick, it's got texture, and when you pair it with pap and some grilled meat, you've got a plate that represents the Rainbow Nation. Let's move on to another beloved staple, amagwenya, also known as Vetkoek. The name literally means fat cake, and that's a pretty good description. It's a ball of dough deep-fried until it's golden brown and puffy. They're crispy on the outside and wonderfully soft and fluffy on the inside. You can eat them plain, dusted with a bit of sugar, or split them open and stuff them. One of the most popular fillings is a savory, seasoned beef mince. The combination of the slightly sweet fried dough with the rich, meaty filling is just incredible. It's a hearty, affordable, and deeply satisfying meal that you'll find everywhere. Another dish that packs a serious flavor punch is chicken livers. Now, before you say anything, you have to try them the South African way. They're pan-fried until tender and served in a creamy, spicy Peri-Peri sauce that has a beautiful warmth and temps. It's usually served with a slice of bread or a fresh roll to mop up every last bit of that amazing sauce. It's rich, it's savory, and it's surprisingly addictive. Now, let's explore the incredible influence of the Indian community on South Africa's food scene. You can't walk a block in cities like Durban without smelling the amazing aroma of spices. Let's start with some. These are crispy, triangular pastries, deep-fried to golden perfection. You can get them filled with a delicious spiced beef mince or a wonderful vegetarian mix of potato and peas. They're the perfect on-the-go snack. And while we're talking about snacks, we have to mention chili bites or delies. These are little fritters made from lentil flour, spices, and finely chopped vegetables. Then deep it. They're crunchy, savory, and have a gentle warming heat, perfect for nibbling on as you walk around. For something more substantial, you've got curry. A simple but always satisfying option is chicken curry and rice. It's a classic for a reason, but if you want the ultimate Durban street food experience, you have to get a bunny chow. Don't worry, no bunnies are involved. A hollowed-out quarter loaf of white bread is filled with a rich aromatic curry. The mutton bunny is the classic choice. The meat is incredibly tender and the gravy is packed with flavor. The bread soaks up all that delicious sauce, so you can eat the bowl itself. There are also amazing vegetable and chicken versions. It's messy, it's glorious, and it's a must-try. Another favorite is the roti roll. A soft, flaky flatbread or roti is used as a wrap for a delicious curry filling, often beef or chicken. It's less messy than a bunny chow, but just as flavorful, making it the perfect portable meal. And for dessert, you can't go wrong with a simple, fluffy, sugar-coated donut. Pure, sweet happiness. Of course, South Africa also has its own take on global fast food. You'll find burger joints everywhere, serving up classic beef burgers and chicken fillet burgers. But for a truly local fast food experience, you need to find a Gatsby. This is a legendary Cape Town creation. It's a massive foot-long roll absolutely stuffed with fillings. A popular choice is steak or chicken, but the one non-negotiable ingredient is a huge pile of hot chips or French fries right inside the sandwich, all drenched in sauce. It's designed to be shared, and it's the definition of indulgence. Speaking of chicken, you'll see Peri-Peri chicken everywhere. Thanks to some famous food chains, this fiery, flavorful grilled chicken has become a national obsession. It's marinated in a spicy chili sauce, giving it a fantastic kick and a tangy, zesty flavor that is just irresistible. And of course, everything is better with a side of chips. For those near the coast, the seafood is fantastic. The classic fish and chips is a staple. A piece of fresh white fish, usually hake, is battered and deep-fried until crispy, served alongside a generous portion of hot, salty chips. You'll also find vendors selling delicious fried calamari strips, often served with a squeeze of lemon and some dipping sauce. And while it might seem surprising, sushi has become a very popular takeaway option in many cities, with fresh seafood and vegetarian rolls available. Finally, let's talk about snacks you can take with you. South Africa is famous for its cured meats. Biltong is an absolute icon. It's strips of meat, usually beef or game, that are cured with vinegar and spices and then air-dried. It's chewy, savory, and intensely flavorful, very different from jerky. Then there's drouwers, which means dry sausage. It's made in a similar way but with sausage, resulting in a snack stick that's packed with spiced, meaty flavor. And if you're looking for something a bit healthier, the fresh produce in South Africa is amazing. You'll often find vendors selling skewers of colorful seasonal fresh fruit or stalls squeezing fresh juice right in front of you. And you can never go wrong with a classic milkshake or a fruit smoothie to cool you down on a hot day. And that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of South African street food. From the smoky flavors of the braai to the spicy warmth of a Durban curry, there is truly something for everyone. I hope this has inspired you to explore these incredible dishes. What's your favorite South African street food? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do onto red to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay hungry.